This is a true original in the photographic world. Starting at the end, we have a Lensbaby optic called the Sweet 50. Spotlight your subject in the middle with dreamy blur at the edges. We're using it here in the Spark 2.0, which allows you to tilt, squeeze, and press your focus to your creative heart's content with a fully manual iris. The results are unique. Unlimited creativity and spontaneity, unleashing every whim. From human subjects to nature to macro to lifestyle. You're creating truly original art with every press of the shutter.